We're going to cover the RK40 series pressure washers today. That series includes the RK41, 42, 43, and the vertical model 47. What you see before you now is the RK43. It utilizes the 18 horsepower Vanguard engine. The RK41 uses a 16 horsepower Vanguard engine. The RK42 also uses a 16 horsepower Vanguard engine, and the 47 16 horse Vanguard engine. These are also available with a Kohler engine and a Honda engine. They all use the same pump, which is a General TS 2021 pump. They're equipped with 16-gallon gas tank and 16-gallon diesel tank for the burner. That gives you approximately 16 hours of run time without having to refuel. This is mounted. On this configuration is the 1A trailer unit, which simply stated, it means it's a single axle trailer. This unit comes with a machine. On the other side, you will note there's a 220-gallon water tank, an HR-12 hose reel with 100 foot of 4,000 PSI high pressure hose. For the spray gun, we use the General YG 5000 and a 36-inch spray lance. The machine comes with 4 spray tips consisting of a 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree nozzle. Before starting your machine, you always unreel all your hose. Be certain that you are either connected to a water supply or have an adequate supply of water in your water tank. Once you've done this, you stretched your hose out, you're ready to begin your work. You would come around and, as we discussed in the maintenance and operation sector, always check your oil. Be sure it's up to level. If you're going to wash, you have chemical injection through the pump. This is the line. You would simply unwind it, place the chemical strainer and hose in your chemical bucket, utilizing your favorite chemical. You want to always be certain that the chemical you use is compatible for use in a pressure washer. Your chemical metering valve is located right here on the side of the pump. When you're ready to run the machine, you would first start your engine by turning on this key. If the engine was cold, you'd choke it. Establish a flow of water. Then turn your chemical metering valve on so that you would be drawing chemical. If you're going to start washing at that point, turn your burner on. Your burner will then begin to heat when you squeeze the trigger, and within about 60 seconds you'll be up to maximum temperature. By then you'll have soap flowing through the unit. You would go on and apply your soap. Then prior to rinsing, you would come back over, turn your chemical metering valve to the off position, turn your burner to the off position, and continue with your washing. It'll take, again, about 1 to 2 minutes for the water to cool back down. and all the chemicals get out of the line, and you can go on with your rinsing. At this point, we're going to start this unit. One thing for you to remember is it is equipped with a pressure trapping unloader. So if you crank the engine for a protracted period of time, it will build up pressure and make the engine slow down. So to keep that from happening, when you want to crank it, just depress the trigger on the unit. In this case, we probably won't need to choke it, so I'll just crank. Now that I have the pressure washer running, I've established a flow of water. I'll turn the burner on by depressing this burner switch. The burner is now on and running. In approximately 60 seconds, it'll come up to full temperature. If I were going to wash, I would turn the soap on. Prior to shutting a machine down, you always turn your soap back off, run it until it clears out, turn your burner off, and continue to run it until it cools back down. You must always cool the unit back down. If not, you can cause damage to the unit. It takes approximately 2 minutes to achieve this once you've achieved maximum temperature. Okay? Burner is off. The chemical is off. It is cooled down. It's now time to turn the machine off. You do so by turning the key in the counterclockwise position, straight up, and your machine is off. Sometimes you will hear a backfire. Do not be concerned about that. It will happen when you shut an engine down at high speed like that. There is a kit available called an anti-backfire kit that can be installed upon your request. This trailer is a single axle trailer. It's got a single 3,500 pound axle under it. It's a 6-foot 4-inch by 8-foot trailer. It's equipped with a bulldog hitch, a swing away jack for your convenience in loading and unloading the trailer, as well as leveling. You always want to try to operate your pressure washer on a level ground. So if you happen to be in a situation where you wouldn't be level with it loaded on your truck, you may have to unload it from the truck and use your leveling jack to bring it to level. The trailer light plug is a standard 4-prong inline plug. Trailer is also equipped with dual safety chains. These trailers are manufactured here in Fort Worth for us and meet the highest standards of any trailer manufacturer in our area.